हेलो बच्चों, इन एक्सरसाइज 12 टुडे आई विल explain question number 10. Question 10 is given, find the circumference of a circle whose area is 16 times the area of a circle with diameter this much. It means there is a given circle with certain diameter, then d has been given 1.4 meter and r is equal to, this will become 0.7, half of the 1.4 meter. And there is another circle whose area, it is a bigger circle, area of this circle is 16 times the area of this circle. It does mean you will have to calculate area of the given circle. Area of given circle, that is equal to pi r square. It does mean pi into 0.7 into 0.7. You should not calculate this here. Actually you set your mindset like all the calculations should be carried on in the last step where the answer is to come. Actually, if you will keep on doing calculation midway, step to step, this may be somewhat hectic and final calculation may be typical for you. So always try to calculate or cancellation at the end of the question. Put all the values like the in the multiplication or division format. This is meter square. Then area of new circle, new circle में it is 16 times the area of this much into pi into 0.7 into 0.7. This has become area of the required circle whose circumference is to be found, and circumference will be obtained when radius you are knowing. It does mean this is area of the new circle. Then you should apply the formula pi r square for the area of new circle. Here r is the radius of the bigger circle, capital R you can say. Then 16 into pi into 0.7 into 0.7, pi will be cancelled and r will be equal to under root 16 into 0.7 into 0.7. It is a 4 4 ja 16 and there are 2 times 0.7, then 1 times 0.7 looking here. R is equal to 4 7 ja 28, 2.8 meter. Meter or centimeter, what's the unit? You will take the same. Now you have to calculate the circumference. Then c is equal to 2 pi r. It does mean 2 into 22 by 7 into r means, now you cancel it, 0.4. This will become 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 was 17, 17.6 meter. This is the answer. This way you can calculate your questions. Next I will tell you question number 15. Question 15 is saying, if the square is inscribed in a circle, find the ratio of the area of the circle and the square. If a square is inscribed in a circle, find the ratio of the area of circle and a square. It means there is a circle and a square is inscribed inside the circle like this. So one thing you should understand, that square is having each angle 90 degree. When take any of the angle, then this vertex will line or diagonal you can say will pass through the diameter of the circle, because of it is the angle in the semicircle 90 degree. You know it very well. Now let radius of the circle be x. And then diameter is equal to, or naming you can say ABC you can put, then you should write AC is equal to 2x. Then let A be the side of the square. Whatever I am speaking or writing here, you will have to mention everything in the question like a language. Then applying Pythagoras theorem here, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It means a square plus a square is equal to 2x whole square. Then 2a square is equal to 4x square, 2 to the 4 cancelled, a is equal to under root 2x sorry. This is the side of the square. Now calculate both area. Area of circle, that is equal to a1, you can calculate it, that is pi r square. R radius here is x, then x square, it is pi r square. Now area of square, area of square, let it be a2. A2 is a square root 2x whole square, it has been 2x square. Now you have calculated both the areas. Now question is saying find the ratio of the area of circle and then square. First it is circle, question number circle and the square. It does mean circle will be kept upside. A1 upon A2 you have to calculate. A1 is pi x square upon 2x square. This is cancelled, pi upon 2. Then A1 ratio A2 is equal to pi ratio 2. This is the answer. Actually all the formulas to be solved in questions on the basis of the formula given, but concept you will have to understand how to apply. Now one more question 20 I am telling you. Then this exercise 12a will be cancelled or will be completed, and 12b I will take in the next class, otherwise the class will become lecture will be too long. Question 20 is saying if the wheel of a bus with a 50 centimeter radius makes 280 revolutions per minute, find the speeds of the bus in kilometer per hour. So it is making 50 radius of that is 50 and making 280 revolution. In this question you will have to calculate the circumference of the circle, because when it will move on the road, its circular surface means circumference or perimeter you can say will cover the distance. So radius is given 50 centimeter, then circumference 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 50 upon 100 you should take as a meter. 2 the 2 cancel, yani 22 upon 7 meter is the circumference of the tire of the bus. Now it is taking 280 revolutions, the distance in 280 revolution, that is 280 into 22 upon 7. This much distance it is covering in how much time? That is in per minute it is saying. Question is saying here it is written per minute. The time has been given 60 seconds you can say. Now the speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to 280 into 22 upon 7 and in the division this will be 60. 1 0 is cancelled. Let it be as it is, whatever be. It is meter per second. Now convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. 28 into 22 upon 6 into 7 into, for changing this will be 60 into 60 and upon 100,000. Meter, to change meter into kilometer it will be divided by 1000, and second is in the denominator, then it will be divided means 60 into 60 will come in numerator. This will become 10 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja, and how much? 1 0 2 0 cancelled, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. This will become 22 2 ja 44 into 6 upon 5, 6 4 ja 24, 2 26 upon 5. Or rather you can divide 5 5 ja 25, 1 is remainder 14, 5 2 ja 10, 5 8 ja 54 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. This much is the calculation. Hence in this way you can calculate all the questions, whatever is the concept. Later on you can discuss among your classmates and including me. So solve this exercise 12a today. Tomorrow I will give you lecture for the exercise 12b. Thank you.